doing? Your favorite fat man back out on three wheels for the second time today. We're out in Kettering, Assembly of God Church, Kettering off of Stroop. Robin's setting up, the group's out here, everybody's coming out, and they're coming in from Woody's, I believe. I am tired, guys. I'm going to be honest, I'm going to find a shady spot and probably mostly just do roll-ins and stuff, but yeah, we'll see. Look at this nice Mustang here. Look at this, inaugural visit. I think this is the first time out, first time that I've got to take pictures of it, I believe. Look at that. Yeah. But yeah, we'll get around, see what we can do, and you know the deal. They may have to ride by us because, like I said, I'm beat down to the ground, but we're going to get pictures of cars. Yeah, the British car meet went on today. Digger took video of that. That may be up at a later date. I may utilize it to as filler through off season. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we'll see. Yeah, but for now, the wind's blowing out here a little bit. I got at least a shade tree for a little while. We're gonna try and cool down, stay cool, be cool. I don't know how cool I can be, but anyway, and yeah, get some of the roll-ins. I know you guys. Yeah. Just saw you a few minutes ago. Hey. Yeah, we moved up here into the, after visiting the facilities and talking to Robin for a little bit, we moved up here into the shelter house because it's just too hot out there for me. I am spewing, so I'm eating my granny old bar, I'm drinking my fluids, and we'll sit here for a little while and we'll see how long we last. It's not looking promising. I'm very wore out, but we'll try. All right, I'm going to have to get going pretty soon, so a good little group has come in. I'm just going to roll by. And see what I can do about possibly getting some shots of these guys, and yeah, that'll be it, because I got to get home. Let's see how we do this. How you doing, buddy?
Good. I'm right behind you. I had granddaughter had her birthday last week, and I had to see her today.
Oh, well, then happy birthday to her. What's her name? What's her name?
Kylie.
Kylie? Happy birthday, Kylie. yeah, they're pulling out. I was expecting a bigger crowd to come from Woody's, but I understand. I'm tired too. That sun was something else. Thank Woody again. Thank Robin for coming out every week and putting forth the effort and doing what she does. It's one of those things you can pretty much count on stability-wise in the car community is Robin and Saturday night in Kettering. And I appreciate it, Robin. Thank you so much. And I'm on the road. I got to get home and take care of folk. Love y'all. See ya. You got here late. I gotta go. See you later, buddy. All right.